Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Now in today's video, we're gonna be unboxing a super dope pair of sneakers, so I hope you guys are ready. I hope everybody is doing well out there. Now this pair came straight from the motherland, straight from eBay. So this video right here is sponsored by my family over at eBay. What's good? So huge thank you to the sponsors of this video. I appreciate you guys for coming through and sponsoring the video because I shop with eBay on a very consistent basis and I'm always looking for the latest steals and deals on there. So to have them sponsor a video is amazing to me. So thank you, eBay. I appreciate y'all. Now some of you guys may be wondering, what's inside the box, Alex? Well, let's go ahead and find out. Ooh, I'm not sure if you guys are even ready for this, but let's go ahead and check these sneakers out. Ooh, ooh. I'm pretty sure I haven't had this box before. So as you guys can see, we have a purple box Nike SB. Check it out, check it out. It's nice and glossy on the outside, Nike SB. And this box is actually very nice. It's super interesting to me because I'm usually used to seeing a blue box. So seeing it purple now, it almost looks, it's kind of weird to me. It's different for sure. Let's go ahead and check out the shoes inside. Here we go. Ooh, ooh. Oh my goodness. Check these things out, baby. They're finally here, guys. So this is my first time seeing the Supreme Dunk Lows in person, and I must say, this is a very beautiful looking sneaker. So if you guys haven't been keeping up with the sneaker releases, these released not too long ago. I want to say within the past month or so, and there were 4 total colorways. So there was this colorway, which is the brown colorway. There was also a blue, a very neon looking green, and a black pair. So I went ahead and I purchased this brown pair right here from my family over at eBay. And the cool thing about this is that it comes with the authenticity guarantee. Now we'll talk about that in a little bit, but I just wanted to show you guys off the sneakers first and give you my initial impressions on this shoe. Once again, this is my first time seeing the sneaker in person, so I feel like the construction is a little bit different than the Dunks that I'm used to, but again, we'll get into that in a little bit. But the important thing that we need to get into is this tag that you guys see right here on the sneaker. You're probably wondering what it is. Now I'll go ahead and explain myself, and I'll explain how cool this technology is. I've been shopping on eBay for years on years on years, and they essentially just did something that changed the game. So the authenticity guarantee backs up sellers as well as consumers to ensure that whatever you're buying on the website is 100% authentic. Now I come across steals and deals all the time, but the price sometimes just seems a little too good to be true, and I never purchase those just because I don't have something that backs it. But now we do. So the authenticity guarantee works like this. Let's pretend the seller is right here. What he's doing is he lists it on eBay, and whenever I buy it, he sends that product straight to the eBay authenticity guarantee facility, aka SneakerCon, if you guys didn't know. They go ahead, evaluate the sneakers. They're looking for any imperfections, anything that throws off the authenticity of the sneaker. If it's fake, it won't pass the process. But if everything is authentic and everything checks out, it will go ahead and get tagged with this authenticity tag right here. So if we look closely, you can't really take this tag off without cutting it off. So it's not like somebody can transplant that into another sneaker. This is one and done pretty much. So if you're at a sneaker event and you see this, basically all you gotta do is you gotta tap your phone to this piece right here and it will open up everything about the sneaker. Got my phone, I'm gonna tap it. Okay, it says open up in Safari, and then it's going to pop up more information on this sneaker, and I think that's super helpful. So here we go, authenticity guarantee. This is the Nike SB Dunk Low Supreme Bark Root Brown, authenticated on 3/16/2021, and it comes with the size, the style, and the condition of the sneaker. So the last time that I did a video like this, eBay was only doing the authentication guarantee on sneakers that were brand new, but they've actually changed it since. So it applies to more sneakers that are pre-owned as well as brand new condition. I have a link down below if you guys are planning on selling on eBay or purchasing on eBay, so you have the information you need in order to see what's good with this authenticity guarantee. Jumping right back into these though, I saw that the prices were going up on StockX, so I went on eBay and I purchased the sneaker that had the authenticity guarantee and the sneaker that was the cheapest. So if you guys are wondering what I bought this pair for, I bought it for 915 clams. That's a lot of clams. But if you check StockX right now, this pair is going for about $1,300. So even if I didn't wear these and I purchased them just to flip, I would have came up already a decent amount. That's at least $350 to $400 in profit if I successfully flip them for what the market value is. So that's one way that you guys can use this authenticity guarantee for. It's just to get these high ticket items. You purchase them, you know that you're getting the real deal, and then you could go ahead and flip them with the tag attached, of course. These things will go crazy at sneaker events, I already know, just because the person that might want to purchase these already knows that they are 100% authentic with this tag right here. So it's super helpful to have that. And just look at these things, man. When I first saw the pictures, I thought that this shoe was burgundy, but now that I'm looking at it, it looks a lot darker in person. I love the different materials that they used on this sneaker. I'm starting to notice that the newer Dunks, the toe box is extended a little bit higher. It doesn't come down to a point. It's not as pointy, if that makes sense. Like the Jordan 1s back in the day, they were mad pointy, but now the toe box is a little more rounded up and it looks a little bit more boxy. So that's the only thing that I noticed with these Supreme Dunks. Other than that, I feel like this is a really beautiful colorway. The gold from the stars really contrasts well with that bark brown or whatever they want to call it. I just love this hit right here, and even on the tongue. This is just a really well executed shoe. And like I said, if I saw this pair without the authenticity guarantee, I probably wouldn't have copped, because you never know what you're getting sometimes, man. You don't know if a seller says that they have one thing, but when they send it, it's completely different. Again, eBay is killing it with that authenticity guarantee. I will have a link down below if you guys want to shop steals and deals with the filters that I use, the exact same filters. Hit the link in the description, check it out for yourselves. If you guys are wondering how long the whole process took for me to receive the sneakers, I'll let you guys know about it right now. So the day I purchased the item was on March 10th, 2021, and the seller actually shipped it that same day. So it went out on March 10th. It looks like it arrived at the facility on March 11th and went out on March 16th. After everything got authenticated, it got shipped to my house and delivered on March 19th. So this was from March 10th to March 19th, which is pretty quick if you guys account how many hands this had to exchange before it got here. The seller shipped it to SneakerCon. SneakerCon had to have everybody look at it, make sure it's good, tag it up, and then it gets shipped to me. So all that within 9 days is pretty quick. Let me show you guys something real quick. One of my upcoming videos is going to be a Nike SB collection video, so I don't want to show too many shoes right now, but I wanted to bring these babies out just because we're talking about Supreme Dunks. So let's check these things out. I have a size 10.5 pair, and look at that price that I paid back then. $475. I don't know how much these are going for now, but I definitely know that it's not that price on the box. So these ones are probably one of my favorite Supreme Dunks ever, just because my favorite color is red, and I think I could show you guys the difference in shapes. You see how the toe box on the newer releases is a little more bulky than the older releases right here? That's exactly what I'm talking about. It's more bulgy. Is that a good way to describe it? But yeah, these things are super clean. I love this sneaker right here. And I think it's so crazy that these are going for this price. I've always been into Dunks, so I'm seeing a lot of people get into it now with different colorways, and Nike just producing a variety of Dunks. So I think it's pretty cool, man. This is today's pickup, the Supreme Bark Root Dunk Lows. Oh, I almost forgot to mention, the laces that come on it are flat laces. I'm used to the round, so I prefer the round laces. Y'all let me know what you think about this sneaker in the comment section down below, and also let me know what you guys pick up with the authenticity guarantee. It's 0 fees for the seller, and it's also 0 fees for the buyer, so you don't have to spend any extra money to make sure your sneakers are authentic, which is a beautiful thing. I love it. Oh, and before we go, we also have an extra set of laces in here. What else do we have here? We also have the world famous hang tag just chilling on this thing. Again, this is a beautiful sneaker. I'm glad I went with this colorway. You guys let me know what your favorite Supreme Dunk colorway was in the comment section down below. You got the blue, you got the black, the lime green, and the bark root browns. Let me know what you think about them. And also, if you guys would like a review on this sneaker, let me know as well. I haven't seen too many videos of this specific color on YouTube yet, which I think is a little weird. Like, why aren't people doing reviews on this sneaker right here? So If you guys want a full review where I do the on feet, I do some other, you know, B-roll shots or whatever you guys need, let me know in the comment section as well. And once again, I want to give a huge thank you to eBay for sponsoring this video, coming through and helping your boy pick these ones up. And I also wanted to thank you guys for watching these videos and supporting your boy. Don't forget to click the links down below, check out eBay's authenticity guarantee, and I'll see y'all very soon for the next video. I'm out. Peace.